Paid surveys. You want to make money taking surveys? Watch this. Alright, y'all. If you've been watching my channel, you should know I tell you all about paid surveys. I keep it real about getting paid. Can you really make money taking surveys online? And like I said before, ain't nothing changed. Yes, you can make money taking surveys online. I got several videos on the topic. And in my opinion, no, it's not a full-time income. If you want full-time income, check my other videos about tons of other ways that you can do that. But if you really do want to just earn some extra cash, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, maybe even 200 bucks here and there, yes, you can do it with surveys. One company I do want to recommend, I just seen, I guess it's been around for a while, it's called My Soapbox. Now this is a survey site company that is one of the ones that is legit, but it's kind of, from what I see, point based. So for every time you take a survey, get qualified for a survey, take it, complete it, you will earn points. And these points can be redeemed for gift cards and cash. A lot of times PayPal cards, which is basically cash, Amazon cards and places to eat and stuff like that. I will say, yes, My Soapbox is legit, but it takes a little longer of a process to get going with them, which is nothing wrong with that. If you got some time to sit down, answer some questions, you do have to take a pre-screening questions and stuff like that. If you don't mind that, cool, do it. Once you get going, you just add it to your arsenal of, paid survey sites. Now, like I said, keep in mind, these are point based. So look at it like if you want to use them points to buy stuff on Amazon that you would normally pay cash for, use your survey points to do that. Or with PayPal, redeem it, and you can buy anything with PayPal, obviously. So you could do that. So yeah, just another option for you. If you want to check out My Soapbox, I will put a link in the description of this video. People always ask me all the time, like, where's the link? It's under the video. Sometimes you got to click the more info, but it's always there, right? And if you haven't done it yet, I talked about this one, which is a site that you can earn cash from different survey companies, which is Survey Club, which is one of the most popular survey sites out there. And that is quicker to sign up for. But with Survey Club, the point with that is you want to sign up with as many surveys as you can, because common sense, the more you survey sites you sign up with, the more invitations you will get, and obviously the more money you will earn. Keep in mind, like I said before, if you're going to do paid surveys, I would create a dedicated email, because especially with Survey Club, you're going to get a lot of invitations. Some of them you might not want to do, some of them you do, but you don't want that mixed in with your normal email, in my opinion, right? So I would create a separate, put Johnny's paid surveys 81 at gmail.com. And that could be the email you sign up with for your Survey Club or your My Soapbox surveys. That's the easiest way to do it, guys. And keep in mind, yes, if you sign up for these, you will earn. You will earn. But set some time aside to take these surveys, because some surveys are 5 minutes. Some surveys can be an hour. So just be aware of that. But it's just another way to earn some extra cash. It's all good. All right. So check that out. Both links to My Soapbox and Survey Club are in the description of this video. Be sure to comment, share, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video, but I want to know, how successful do you want to be online? What if you can earn a full-time income teaching others stuff that you already know? Want to learn how to do it? Click the link in the description.